What's up, YouTube? It's your boy D Brooks coming with another video. Today I'm gonna continue working on this Cadillac. I'll show you guys where we're at right now. Let me get the light up in here. So as you guys can see, I have the radiator, fan, well, not the fan, but the radiator, condenser, power steering, AC, all that stuff is disconnected. Fuel system, I've already pulled the engine mount bolts out down there, right there. Yeah, on both sides. You can't see it behind that power steering pulley, but it's disconnected. Power steering hose is disconnected right here, and I have the plate here. So we're ready to go ahead and pull this. And when I say we, I mean us, as in you watching and me doing. I'm gonna go ahead and take the cross member off because I didn't do that yet, but I did disconnect the transmission mount, so that's one thing I gotta do, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit this thing hard.
This a hit for sure.